questions, 1 mark questions, which I already sent the worksheets. Okay, so we are doing random question from all the chapters. So wait, I will explain you. Okay, write down first question. Because many of you made a mistakes in 1 mark question, so yeah. If n is any natural number, write down. If n is any natural number, if n is any natural number, then 6 raised to n minus 5 raised to n always ends with 0. Always ends with 0. Always ends with options are given. Option 1, A is 1, B 3, C 5, and last is 0. Okay, so here actually we know that in our syllabus we learned 6 raised to n and 5 raised to n, but here 6 raised to n minus 5 raised to n is there. Okay, so if you take a difference of these two numbers, 6 minus 5 is nothing but 1, and I am taking n raised to 1, so 6 raised to 1 is 6 and 5 raised to 1 is 5, so 6 minus 5 is 1. So this digit does not end with 0, this digit ends with what? 1. So like that we have to solve the MCQ if addition subtraction comes. Getting this? Copy this. Answer is 1. Okay. Then here I will read the question. We did this question many times. Here m and n are expressible in the form of m is equal to pq square. M is equal to pq square and n is equal to, we have p cube q square. P cube q square. And they are asking here to find the HCF of m and n. HCF of number m and n. So here options are given. First is PQ. Option 1 is PQ. Option B PQ square. Option C P cube Q cube. And last P square Q cube. Okay. Two positive integers m and n are expressible in the form of m is equal to p cube and n is equal to p cube q square, where p and q are being prime numbers. Then find the HCF of m and n. So HCF is nothing but what? Highest common factor, and here p and p is also common and q is also common. Okay, so here the lowest power of p is nothing but 1 and lowest power of q is nothing but square. So PQ square is the answer, and correct option according to this is B. Okay, option B, PQ square. Can you getting how to take these questions? Okay, write down next question. A quadratic polynomial. Write down next question. A quadratic polynomial the sum of whose zeros, the sum of whose zeros, sum of whose zeros is 0 and one of the 0 is 3 and one of the 0 is 3. Okay, so yesterday only we did the revision on this, so try to find out the answer. I will repeat the question with options again. So here the quadratic polynomial, the sum of the zeros is 0 and one 0 is 3. Is option are given: A, first option, x square plus 3, x square plus 3, B, x square minus 3, C option, x square plus 9, D, x square minus 9. Okay, a quadratic polynomial, the sum of whose zeros are 0 and one 0 is 3, is first option x square plus 3, B x square minus 3, C x square plus 9 and x square minus 9. Be careful while solving this kind of numericals. You made lots of mistakes. Okay, you are not getting question only. So here sum of the zeros. Sum of the 0 is nothing but alpha plus beta, and that sum of the 0 is given 0. And one of the 0 is given how much here? 3. Can you get it? So you can take either alpha as a 3 or beta as a 3. One 0 is given 3. Okay. So once you get this, they are asking what? They are asking to find out the equation. One of the 0 is 3. Then what is this? Okay. So I will substitute here. Alpha is 3 plus beta is equal to 0. So beta is nothing but what? Minus 3. Okay. And they are asking here quadratic equation. So quadratic equation they are asking. That means we can write here x square minus alpha plus beta into x minus plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Getting this? So here we have to find out the answer. Put sum of the 0 is 0 and alpha into beta. So find out this. Can you able to get it? This is easy question now. Here what? X square minus alpha plus beta is 0. 0 into x. Alpha is nothing but 3 and beta I got it as a minus 3 is equal to 0. So x square, this entire term becomes 0 and 3 into 3 9 with negative sign. So minus 9 is equal to 0. So x square 9 is the answer. Or sometimes they can change the options because this is x square and this is 9. Maybe they can write x square minus 3 square and options. Maybe they can give x plus 3 and x minus 3. Getting this? Okay. So these are this is what the correct option. X square minus 9 according to this question. Maybe they can change like this also. Okay. So be careful while solving 1 mark questions. Getting this? Now next, everyone copied? Okay, write down next question. Next question, write down: if the system of equations if the system of equation 3x minus y plus 8, 3x equations are given, write down this equation: 3x minus y plus 8. 3x minus y plus 8 is equal to 0. And 6x minus ky, 6x minus ky plus 16 is equal to 0. represent coincident lines, then K, options are given minus half, B plus half, C 2, and D option is minus 2, Okay, so here equations are given and they are saying these two lines are coincident. That means you should know the condition for coincidence. So condition for coincidence, we are taking A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and equal to C1 by C2. So here if you compare these two equations, so A1 is nothing but 3, A2 is nothing but 6, B1 is minus 1, nothing is there, means that multiple is minus 1 and this is multiple minus K equal to 8 by 16. So this will become 1 by 2, 1 by K, and this is also 1 by 2. So therefore you can take any pair. So if I take 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by K, therefore we can write K is equal to 2. Just reciprocal or take a cross multiplication, you will get the value for K is nothing but 2. Getting how to solve this kind of question? Check what is the condition, whether they are parallel, whether they are coincident, whether they are incident. So you should know all the conditions, then you can able to solve this kind of questions. Okay, and mostly you can focus on 1 mark question to score more marks. Write down next question. I hope everyone copied this question. Write down next question. If the quadratic equation x square plus 4x plus 4x plus k is equal to 0 has real and equal roots, then first option k is less than 4, k is greater than 4, k is equal to 4 and k is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so here these are the options. Okay, and very important thing, you have to read it carefully. If you are not able to read the questions properly, then you will not get the answer. Here they are saying this is a quadratic equation and they are saying has a real and equal roots. Okay, that means you can take discriminant is equal to 0. Okay, and discriminant is nothing but what? B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And if you compare with the standard equation, here a is 1, b is 4 and c is equal to how much? K. Getting? So b square is nothing but here 4 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is k is equal to 0. So 16 minus 4k is equal to 0. Therefore we can write 16 is equal to 4k and k is equal to how much? 16 by 4. So here 4 4s are 16. So answer you will get k is equal to 4. So which option is there? Option C is the correct option. Okay, solve step by step. Okay, don't just tick mark, guess and tick mark the answer. Solve, you know the steps how to solve. Okay. Everyone copied? We can go for the next question. Write down the distance between the points, the distance between the points 4 comma P, the distance between the points 4 comma P and 1 comma 0 and 1 comma 0, 1 comma 0 is 5, then find the value of P. Then find the value of P. Options are given: 4 only, plus or minus 4, minus 4 only, and 0. These are the options, and they are saying this is a line, and one coordinate is 4 comma P, another coordinate is 1 comma 0, and the distance between these 2 points is nothing but 5 units. And I can take this as a point A and this as a point B. So we want to calculate here point P, then you can use the distance formula, no? Because length of AB is given here. So what is our distance formula? Distance of AB is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, distance of AB is nothing but 5. Now x2 is this. Okay, if you are not able to do it, then do it x1 y1, and this is x2 y2. So here x2 is 1 minus 4 square plus y2 is 0 minus p whole bracket square. Getting this? Okay. Now in square root 4 minus 1 minus 4 is nothing but minus 3 square minus p square. Okay. So here I can write 3 square is nothing but 9, and minus is there, that will become plus. So here plus p square, and here 5. Okay. So I can square on both the sides. So this will become 25, 9 plus p square. Therefore we can write 25 minus 9 is equal to p square. So here p square is equal to 16. So here we can write p is equal to plus or minus 4. Because 16 square root is nothing but 4. So option is here plus or minus 4. Okay. Option is here plus or minus 4. Getting how to solve? We are solving these questions. Okay, everyone is getting these questions. Finished? So write down the next question. Write down next question. If PQR is similar to triangle XYZ, if triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ and XY is equal to 4 centimeter, XY is equal to 4 centimeter, comma, YZ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, YZ is equal to 4.5 centimeter, comma, ZX is equal to 6.5 centimeter, and PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. Then the perimeter of PQR is. Then the perimeter of triangle PQR is. Okay. They are asking perimeter of triangle PQR. Write down the options. 25. First option 25. Second option 23. Second option 23. Second option is 23. Third option 15, 5, and last option is 30. Okay, so I will draw the diagram here. So two triangles are given and they are similar. They are similar means their angles are similar and their sides are also similar. So this is, I will take PQR, and another triangle is XY and Z. Okay, so here XY is nothing but 4 centimeter, YZ is nothing but 4.5, and ZX is nothing but 6.5. Okay, and PQ is here 8 centimeter given. Okay, then find the perimeter of PQR. Okay, so can you find out the answer for this? We have to calculate the perimeter, and the criteria is given. These two triangles are similar. Can you find out the perimeter of this? Check if someone is solved, and then they can type the answer over here. Yes. Here these two triangles are similar, no? Okay, in the question they are saying triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Okay. Now here XY is similar to PQ, but this is 4 and this given is how much? 8, no? That is double of 4 is 8. Then 6.5 double is how much? 4.5 of double of 4.5 is 9.0. Okay, then remaining 6.5 into 2 is how much? 13, no? This will become 13.0. So if you add now, PQ plus QR plus PR is nothing but 8 plus 9 plus 13. Okay, do this. I think it's 30. Answer is 30 centimeter of a perimeter of a triangle PQR. Check whether the option is there. Is the option there? Yeah, it's option D. Option D, that is 30. Okay, can you getting how to correlate these questions? Yes, correct. You can build the relation once this kind of questions will come. Okay, now write down next question. In triangle ABC, write down next question. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF comma, angle B is equal to angle E. Angle B is equal to angle E, and angle F is equal to angle C. Angle F is equal to angle C. Angle B is equal to angle C. Sorry, angle F is equal to C, and AB is equal to DE. And AB is equal to thrice of DE. AB is equal to thrice of DE. Then two triangles are. First option write down, congruent but not similar. Congruent but not similar. Second option, they are similar but not congruent. They are similar but they are not congruent. Second, third option write down, they are neither congruent or nor similar. Neither congruent nor similar. Neither congruent nor similar. And last option, congruent as well as similar. Congruent as well as similar. Okay. So this is the question, and here two triangles are given, ABC and DEF. Okay, where angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and this AB length is equal to thrice of DE. Okay, so in this case they are talking about the angles and this relation between the sides. Okay, means suppose AB is 1, then this will become how much? 3, because thrice of DE. Okay, so AB is a thrice of DE. So AB is nothing but 1, then DE should, if DE is 3, then 3 into DE, that is AB is nothing but what here? 9. So this is what the relation they gave. So you can take any value and find it out, you will get the answer. But here the thing is that as they are saying these angles are similar, means they are saying they are equal. Okay, that does not means they are congruent or they are similar. Here the congruent, they are similar only, not congruent. We can say here these two triangles may be similar but they are not congruent. This is the option. These two triangles are similar. Okay, because their angles are same and the side relation is given, they are similar but they are not congruent. Then here according to this, the option, I think B is correct option. B is the correct option. Getting here? Option B is correct. They are similar but not congruent. Then write down next question based on the circle. Write down in the figure PA and PB are the two tangents. We did these questions many times, okay, but still you people are making lots of mistakes while solving 1 mark question. Write down here, in figure PA and PB are the tangents to the circle, tangent to the circle with center O, such that angle APB, such that the angle APB is equal to 50 degrees. Then angle OAB, angle OAB is equal to first option 25, second option 30 degrees, third option 40 degrees, last option 50 degree. Okay, in the figure PA and PB are tangents drawn to the circle with center O such that angle APB is 50 degree. Then angle OAB is how much? Okay, so can you calculate? How much is the answer here? We are interested to find out this O. Okay, OA and OB are same because both are radii. So can we say that triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle? So this angle is nothing but x. So this angle is also x only, no? So x plus angle AOB is nothing but how much? 180 degree, no? Because triangle angle sum is 180 degree. So here how to find out this? Yes, if you know, then start procedure and check how much is the answer you will get. Try this question. So here can you able to see this is nothing but what? A quadrilateral form OPAOB. So this is 50 and this is nothing but what? This O, no? So this sum is nothing but what? 50 plus angle O is nothing but you have 180. Correct? Angle O is nothing but how much here? 180 minus 50 is 130. Okay, but no, we can't apply this. 130, yeah, we can. 130 once you get, so 130, no, you can substitute here. X plus x is 2x is equal to 180 minus 130. AOB you can transpose because O we got it as 30. Quadrilateral opposite sum is 180 I took here. So here 2x is equal to 130 minus 180 minus 130 is nothing but 50. So x is equal to how much? 25. So here x I will get it as 25 and this also I am getting 25. And what they are asking here to find out? To find out the angle AOB. Sorry, angle OAB. OAB. This angle they are asking. So OAB, that is nothing but 25 degrees over here. Okay. So option is a option. Okay, can you get it how to solve this? Okay. Hope everyone is getting this. Now write down next question. If tan A is equal to 4 by 3, if tan A is equal to 4 by 3. I hope everyone is copied now this question. Okay, I'll erase this. If tan A is equal to 4 by 3, tan A is equal to 4 by 3, then find the value of sec A. So here they are saying tan A is equal to 4 by 3. Okay, then they are asking the value for sec A. So if we draw a right angle triangle over here, okay, and this is 90, and if I am taking this as a B and C, this is nothing but angle A. Tan A is nothing but what? Opposite by adjacent. Opposite is 4, adjacent is 3. So what is a AC? AC is nothing but 5, no? Pythagorean triplet. Okay. So Pythagorean triplet, according to this we are getting 5 because 4 square is 16, 16 plus 9. Because 3 square is 9. So that is nothing but 25 and square root of 25 is 5. So once you get this tan, then they are asking sec theta. Okay, sec theta is nothing but what? What is the formula for sec theta? Hypotenuse by adjacent, no? 5 by 3. Getting? Because sec is also reciprocal of cos. Correct? So sec is equal to 5 by 3. Option check here. Yes, option D is the correct option. Your options are given 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 3 by 4 and 5 by 3. Option 5 by 3 is the correct answer. Okay. Now write down next question. Write down next question. Here, if cos A is equal to 3 by 5, next is cos A is equal to 3 by 5, cos A is equal to 3 by 5, then value of 9 plus 9 tan square A is equal to, first option is given 9, second option is given 16, C is 25 and D is 34. Okay, so what will be the answer for this? Here cos A is equal to 3 by 5. Okay, then find the value of 9 plus 9 tan square A. Okay, find out the answer for this. Check how can you solve this. So we can take here, so here 9 and 9 is common. So 1 plus tan square a. Okay. So 9 into 1 plus tan square a. If you know the identity, I told you many times, learn the identity. If you don't know the identities, then you have to go for other alternative method which are very lengthy. Okay. So better way learn the identities till you have a time. So 1 plus tan square a is nothing but what here? We have a 6 square a. Can you getting this? So we have here 6 square a, and this, but I don't know about the sec value, but I know here 6 square is nothing but what? 1 upon cos square a, no? Correct? And I know the value for cos a. Cos a is nothing but 3 by 4, then cos square a is nothing but how much? 9 by 25, correct? So here I can substitute 1 upon cos square a is nothing but 9 by 25, that is equal to 9. Reciprocal of it 25 by 9. So 9 get cancelled and you will get answer 25. In our textbook also we have a same question, okay, but there we got the answer 9. So this is what they made a change at last, okay, and here they gave this option cos a is equal to 3 by 5. So once you get the answer, you have to modify, means you must have to learn the identity, substitute. Okay, they want to develop in the trigonometry, that's what these additional steps are there. Getting this? Okay, copy. Copy this. As these are 1 mark questions, but they are very important. Prepare your NCERT textbook properly. Okay. Write down next question. Write down the next question. The value of tan square 45 minus sin square 45. Find the value of tan square 45 minus sin square 45. They are asking here value of sin square 45 minus tan square 45 degrees. Oh, let me check what is that. Tan square is there first. Oh, sorry. Tan square 45. Tan square 45 minus sin square 45. Okay. And they are asking here value. They gave the options here. The first option is 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and 0. And 0. Okay, so find out. For solving this question, you should know the angle values, then only you can able to find out. Tan 45 is nothing but 1, that is 1 square, and sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Okay, and here square is there, I will make a square. So 1 minus 1 square is 1 and root 2 square is 2, 1 by 2. So 1 minus half is nothing but half. Answer is here half. Check which option will come here. Option C is the correct option. Getting? Okay, finished. So write down next question. I hope everyone is getting these questions, are very important. Okay, so write down next. What is the perimeter? What is the perimeter of quadrant of a circle OAB? What is the perimeter of a quadrant of circle OAB whose diameter is 10 centimeter? Whose diameter is 10 centimeter? Use pi is equal to 3.14. Use pi is equal to 3.14. 14 and options are given. First is 7.85 centimeter, second is 17.85 centimeter, third is 27.85 centimeter, and last option D, that is nothing but 37.85 centimeter. Okay, so they are saying find out the perimeter. Okay, that means here find the perimeter of the quadrant. Perimeter of the quadrant means here you have to add OA, OB plus this arc length. Can you getting my point? They are asking perimeter, not perimeter of the circle. They are asking perimeter of a quadrant, and they use the word quadrant. You all are standard maths. So quadrant means one quadrant is making an angle 90 degree. Okay, and only they are interested into the perimeter of this part. Okay, so here this perimeter is nothing but what here? OA plus OB plus arc length of AB. Okay, so find out this, how to check, get this answer check. I gave you the arc length wala formula also, how to find out the arc length. Yes, calculate this and tell me the answer. Yes, finished. What is the answer? Those who got, they can type the answer. So here OA is nothing but radius is given. They gave any radius over here? Find the perimeter. Radius is not mentioned here only. With a diameter 10, no? Diameter is given, then radius is nothing but 5. Okay, so 5 plus 5. Arc length is nothing but what? Theta by 360 into 2 pi r, entire circle. Okay, so 5 plus 5 is a 10. Theta is nothing but here 90 by 360, 2 into pi and into 10. I will keep it, r is nothing but here 5. So 0 0 get cancelled, 9 ones are 9 and here by 4. Okay, so here 10 plus 1 by 4 into 2 into 5 into pi is nothing but 3.14. Okay, so here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, okay, 2 fives are 10 and here 7. 1.57 into 5 plus 10. Okay, so do this multiplication. The answer is 27.85. So option 3 is the correct option. So here this is 10. 1 by 4 into 2 into 5 into 3.14. This 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4 I divided. Then again this 2 I divided with 1.57. So it is get 3.14, it is get cancelled and I get 1.57. So 1.57 you can multiply with this 5. Okay, 5 after multiplication that you will get the answer 7.85, and that 7.85 plus 10 is nothing but 27.85. The option C is the correct option. You should know the formula for arc length. So that is theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Many are taking 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. That is also correct. Okay, because they mentioned here quadrant. Quadrant means here angle value should be 90. Now write down next question. Write down next question. The area of the circle. The area of the circle that can be inscribed. The area of the circle that can be inscribed in a square. Inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter. The area of a circle that can be inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter is. Okay, and options are given. Write down first option. Write down first option. That is 36 pi centimeter square. 36 pi centimeter square. B 18 pi 18 pi centimeter square. C 12 pi centimeter square. D 9 pi centimeter square. 9 pi centimeter square. Okay, try to find out this. They are asking us to find out the area of the circle, no? Area of the circle that is inscribed in a square of side 6 centimeter. Okay, so here if we are taking this circle square, then circle is inscribed in the square, and each side of square is nothing but 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. That means diameter of the circle is also 6. That means radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, and they are asking what? Area of the circle. Okay, area of the circle is nothing but pi r square. So pi I will keep it as it is. Radius should be 3 here. 3 square. That is nothing but 9 pi is the answer. Centimeter square. Okay, so simple questions are there. People are calculating area of the square, then they are finding out no here. The side of the square is given. That side of the square is nothing but your diameter of the circle. Half it you will get the radius. Okay, and you will get the answer 9 pi. So first, which option is there here? Yeah, option D is the correct option. Okay, 9 pi centimeter square. Okay, everyone copied. So write down next question. If a solid sphere with total surface area, if a solid sphere with total surface area is equal to 48 centimeter square, is equal to 48 centimeter square, is bisected into two hemispheres, comma, then the total surface area of any one of the hemisphere is, I will repeat the statement. if a solid sphere with total surface area is 48 centimeter square is bisected into two hemispheres, then the total surface area of any one of the hemisphere is first 48 centimeter square, first option 48 centimeter square, B 60 centimeter square, C 24 centimeter square, D 36 centimeter square. D 36 centimeter square. Okay, think on this question and try to solve. Okay, here many students are making a mistake. Okay, they are taking the solid sphere and they bisect it into two hemispheres. Then immediately they can take the option 24. Okay, because 48 half is 24. Those who are doing like this, their answer is wrong. Okay, not at all thinking only. Okay, so here the concepts should be strong. Once you are cutting that surface into two equal parts, okay, so they are getting divided into two. But if I take one hemisphere, so hemisphere ka this CSA is there, no, which is of 2 pi r square, and this circle is also there, that is one more pi r square, no. So this is total surface area of this hemisphere is 3 pi r square. Can you getting my point? Okay, and in question they are saying here total solid sphere. So here solid surface area is nothing but TSA is 48. I think 48 only, no? Yeah, 48 centimeter square. Yeah, 48 centimeter square. That means total surface area is 4 pi r square. That is equal to 48 centimeter square. Can you getting this? So for what I will do, I will keep pi r square as it is and 48 by 4 centimeter square I will write. Now here CSA, when you cut it into two parts, then the surface area will become 3 pi r square. So in that case, I will write surface area is nothing but 3 pi r square. So 3 pi r square I have, that is 48 by 4. Okay, now can you find out? Check this. Check how much is the answer. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 36 centimeter square is the answer. Okay, so option D is the correct option. Don't make a mistake while reading and even while solving also. Try to understand the question, what is given and what we have to find out. You can read the question twice and focus on always 1 mark so that you will get out of out, then you can easily score. And suppose many students, those are scorer or ranker students are there, at least they are spending 1 minute for one question, but I would suggest you can spend half hour for 20 questions, but you should solve properly. Okay, don't lose the marks. Getting this? Write down next question. Okay, so write down next question here. The following, for the following distribution, the upper limit of the median class is, okay, option first, write down option 1, that is 10, option B 15, option C 20, option D 25, and then write down. Okay, so copy this and now try to find out. Okay, they are asking here upper limit of the median class. Okay, upper limit of the median class. Don't guess the answer. Solve this, because here also you are making mistakes in statistics. Okay, so here they are, if we want to find out the upper limit, then find out here n. N we have to find out. How to find out n? So this, add all these numbers. 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 20 plus 9. Okay, 10 plus 15 is 25. This is 29, and last is nothing but 12. Okay, 66. So n is nothing but 66. Median class n by 2, that is 66 by 2, that is equal to 33. Okay, so n by 2 I am getting here 33. That is 33rd frequency lies in which class? 33rd. So near to that, check which one is there. This is now what is the option here? Correct option. Yes, can someone type the answer? Median class is what here? Yes. Okay, this near to 33. Which class is there? Can someone type? Yes, check. I want the answer from your end. Here they are asking upper limit of the median class. Yes, can someone type the message and give the answer for this? Or else I will go for the next question. Yes. Check. Yes. Array, what you are? This is 33, no? 33, which is nearly equal to 20. Means we are taking the value less than this 20, but we are taking a previous class. Okay. So here in the previous class, this is upper limit, no? So upper limit is nothing but what here? 15. Okay. So this is what the answer. Oh my God. Chalo, write down next question. Write down next question, that is, if the sum of the 15 observation, if the sum of sum of the 15 observation of data is 434 plus x. So the sum of the 15 observations of data is 434 plus x, and the mean of the observation is x, and the mean of the observation is x. Then find the value of x. Okay, then find the value of x, and the options of x is given 25, second option is given 27, third option is 31, and last option is 33. This is option A, B, C and D. Okay, so here total sum is given. Sum is given how much? 434 plus x, and number of observations are given 15. Okay, and the mean observation, mean is given how much? X. So they are asking us to find out the value for x. Okay, so we know that mean is equal to what? Mean is equal to total sum divided by number of observations. You should know this is the average value. So mean is given here x, sum is 434 plus x divided by number of observations are 15. Transpose this 15 over here. So 15x is equal to 434 plus x. So this x you can transpose plus x over here. This will become minus. So 15x minus x is equal to 434. That is 14x is equal to 434. Okay, therefore x is equal to 434 divided by 14. Okay, check that division. How much will it come? Is it 31? X is nothing but 31. Okay, option C is the correct option. Getting? Now write down next question. Here answer is 31. See, I am doing calculation, so I am expecting from you also to do the calculation in exam and write the correct answer. Okay, so write down next question. A card is selected at random. A card is selected at random from a well shuffled deck, of 52 cards, full stop. The event E is that the card is not the event E is that card is not an ace. That card is not an ace of hearts. Card is not an ace of hearts. Full stop. The number of outcomes favorable to E is first option 4, second option 12, third option 48, next option is 51. I'll repeat. A card is selected at random from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Full stop. The event E is that card is not an ace. Card is not an ace of hearts. Full stop. The number of outcomes favorable to E is first 4, second 12, third 48 and D 51 and D 51. Okay, so here well shuffled deck of 52 cards is given and they are saying the event E is that card is not an ace of the heart. Okay, so here ace of the heart, the number of favorable outcomes to E is nothing but 51. Okay, so answer is last answer, that is 51. Getting this? So write down the assertion and reason. Write down assertion here. The ratio in which the line segment joining A is 5, 3. Don't make mistakes in maths answer assertion and reasoning, because everything is given clearly and every day we practiced it also. Okay, so don't take a chance to make a mistake in reasoning and assertion as far as for math subject. So here the product of the assertion is there, the ratio in which the line joining segment A is nothing but 5, 3 and B is nothing but -3, 11. Okay, and which divides internally by the points given C given 3, 5 in is 1:3. Okay, and assertion reason is given. They are using the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, and for y m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So they are asking what here, what is the option? Here line joining segments are given and the point which is dividing, that is 3, 5 and it divides internally 1:3. So here both assertion and reason are correct, no? Correct, both A and R true and R is the correct explanation, because that is what section formula we are using to get the coordinates. Okay, so that is the correct answer. Now next reasoning assertion, write down, if the product of two numbers is means A and B is equal to, they are giving here 12,960 and their HCF is nothing but 18 and LCM is nothing but 720. Then they are saying HCF is always factor. HCF is always a factor of LCM. Okay, here check what is the answer you will get here. They are given two numbers, their multiplication HCF LCM is given, and assertion reason they are saying the HCF is a factor of LCM. HCF is a factor of LCM. Okay, so here both assertion is true, reason is also true, but R is not the correct explanation. R is not the correct explanation here. Okay, so that is the answer. Getting this? Okay, so then write down one more question. in the given figure, in the given figure, in the given figure, comma, AT is a tangent, AT is a tangent to the circle, tangent to the circle with center O, with center O, such that OT is equal to 4 centimeter, OT is equal to 4 centimeter, and angle OTA, angle OTA is equal to 30 degrees, equal to 30 degrees. Then AT is equal to first option 4 centimeter, first option 4 centimeter, B 2 centimeter, B 2 centimeter, C 2 root 3, 2 root 3, B last option 4 root 3, 4 root 3. Okay, so here this is a question from circle, and they are asking here to find out the length of AT. We have to find out this length of AT. Okay, but the problem is that the question is from circle, but we have to apply here trigonometry, then only we will get the answer, because they gave the distance from center to this point T. We don't know the tangent length, we don't know the radius of this circle. Okay, otherwise we can apply Pythagoras and we can calculate. But here we don't know the other two sides, we know only one side, and here this is angle 30, and whenever you are dropping a tangent, means dropping a line on the tangent, it makes a 90 degree over here. So if you consider angle OAT, then can we apply here trigonometry, and I know the hypotenuse, okay, and I am interested in AT, then can I apply here cos 30, okay, cos theta is nothing but what, adjacent, that is 80, by hypotenuse is OT, because opposite to 90 is hypotenuse. Okay, so cos here 30 is equal to 80, I don't know, I have to find out, and OT is nothing but 4. Okay, cos 30 is how much? Does anyone know the value for cos 30? Yes, cos 30 value is nothing but what? Or at least tell me the value, angle value of cos 30. Yes, cos 30 is nothing but what? Root 3 by 2, no? Correct? Root 3 by 2 and 4 you can transpose, it is get multiplied, that is 80. 2 2s are 4, so answer here 80 is nothing but 2 root 3 centimeter. So check the option, which option will come. You can decide your preparation from this. Okay, everyone is lethargic, not able to give the answer. Okay, okay, write down next question. If the coordinates of one end of a diameter, write down next question. If the coordinates of one end of a diameter, if the coordinates of one end of diameter of circle are 2, 3, are 2, 3, and the coordinates of its center and coordinates of its center are minus 2 comma 5 are minus 2 comma 5. Then the coordinates of the other end of the diameter are first option 0 comma 8, second option B 0 comma 4, C 6 comma minus 7, D minus 6 comma 7. Okay, so I will repeat the question once again. Here the question is that if the coordinates of one end of the diameter of a circle is 2 comma 3 and the coordinates of its center is minus 2 comma 5, then coordinates of the other end of the diameter are 0 comma 8, 0 comma 4, 6 comma minus 7 and minus 6 comma 7. These are the options. So I will solve here and you can check the answer with me, or if you are solving, just verify the answers. Here one circle is given. Here this is the circle, okay, and whose diameter is this? This is the center, okay, and the coordinates of the one end of the diameter, okay. Suppose if I am taking this as a A and B, and one end points are given, coordinates are 2 comma 3 and center coordinates are given minus 2 comma 5. Then they are asking us to find out these coordinates x and y, okay. So this line is nothing but diameter, that means OA and OB are radii, so both are same. Can you getting? And both are divided 1:1 internally. Okay, so we can use the section formula here. So we are writing for coordinates O minus 2 comma 5. Then this formula will come m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by, we can write m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Okay, so here m1 is 1 and x2, this is x1 and this is x2, okay. So here we can write x2 is nothing but x plus m2 is 1, x1 is 2 divided by 2, and here comma m1 is nothing but 1, y2 is nothing but y plus 1 into 3 divided by, I can write 2 here. Then I will compare this. This is x plus 2 by 2 and this is y plus 3 by 2. Okay. So we can write here minus 2 comma 5. Compare x with x and y with y. You will get the coordinates. So here I will compare x plus 2 by 2 is equal to minus 2. So x is equal to x plus 2 is equal to minus 4 and x is equal to, you will get it, 2 you can transpose, this will become minus 6, and y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 5. Okay, so y is nothing but 2 5s are 10 and 10 minus 3 is nothing but 7. So other coordinates will come minus 6 comma 7. Okay. So this is the answer. Answer is here minus 6 comma 7, that is option D. Option D is the correct option. Getting this? So write down one more last question. Write down. Afterward, again I will keep one more online session only for 1 mark questions. Okay. Focus on 1 mark question, what is given and what we have to calculate. Okay. Otherwise, you people are making lots of mistakes in 1 mark only. So write down the relation between mean, mode and median is the relationship between the mean, mode and median is. Okay, so what is that relation? Here options are given. At least this formula so you can by heart, because in 4-5 marks also these kind of questions are coming. So if you calculate any two, then one part you can able to calculate by using this formula. Okay, so I request you to everyone learn this formula. So your options are given. First option, that is mode. Mode is equal to 3 mean minus 2 median. 2 median. Option B, mode is equal to 2 into median minus 3 into mean. So C, mean is equal to half mode minus 3 median. Option D, median is equal to 3 into mean minus 2 into mode. Okay, so now check which option is correct. So here 2 mean होता है. Yeah, option C is the correct option, because this 2 you can multiply here. 2 mean is equal to mode minus 3 median. That is the original formula. They just transpose 2 to that side and they interchange the mean and mode. So here mean and median. So answer is here C. Mean is equal to half mode minus 3 into median. Getting this? Copy everyone. Okay. So I will keep one more online session afterwards. So okay, I will send you the link also, so you people can join again. Okay, so I will end this session. I hope everyone is copied from the board. So I will end this session. Okay, so I will end this session. You can leave. I hope everyone is copied, no?